How to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. Hi everybody, if you're wondering how, you can follow the steps. Go ahead and open up Cash App into your device and you should be finding this interface. So in the bottom of your interface, you can find this $13 section. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should be finding this interface. Now from the section, you can go ahead and first of all buy Bitcoin. You can tap on buy Bitcoin. After doing so, you should be finding this. Now from here, you should be finding an airplane icon in your screen. You can tap on this option. After doing so, you can buy a certain Bitcoin that you want to send to another account. So go ahead and purchase and tap on next. For example, $5. After that, tap next again. After tapping on next, you can confirm your Bitcoin purchase of the amount that you're trying to. After that, confirm it. And once you do, you will be headed back to the base. Now from this section, you can tap on this airplane icon again. After that, you should be finding send or receive option. So you can tap on the send Bitcoin option. After that, from send Bitcoin, you should be finding this option. So you can go ahead and enter the amount that you want to send, the Bitcoin amount. You can just go ahead and type in here and tap on send. After doing so, in this section, you're going to enter up the name, cash tag, or the BTC address in which you want to transfer. So you can paste it right here and tap on next at the top. For example, like this. After you paste the wallet address, tap on next, and when you do that, you can select your withdrawal speed as well. Once you do that, your Bitcoin should be transferred. So that is how you send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.